In the very center of Athens, two soldiers stand perfectly still. For 1 hour, they are not allowed to scratch an itch, wipe sweat, or react to anyone around them. And then, they move like this. These are Greece's elite ceremonial guards, the Evzones. This is the changing of the guard, and it happens every single hour, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. But on Sundays at 11 in the morning, the ceremony turns into a full-scale parade, with the entire unit and a marching band. The white kilt is called a fustanella. It's made from around 30 meters of fabric and is said to have roughly 400 pleats, one for every year of Ottoman rule. The sleeveless waistcoat, or fermali, is covered in hand-stitched embroidery that can take months to complete. In fact, a single full uniform can take up to 80 days of work by specialist tailors. But my favorite part of the uniform is down here, the shoes. They're called zaruchia, and each shoe can weigh up to 3 kilos, with over 60 metal nails hammered into the sole. When they strike the ground, the sound is meant to echo across the whole square. According to one story, that sound was originally requested by a king who missed the noise of cavalry horses. And when two Evzones bring their boots together in one perfect click like this, that's years of training in a single frame.